It's always exciting for me to bring you such a combination of not just beautifully created fabrics, but beautiful colors. If we look at these, this is 100% cotton. It's dual layer. So they actually are woven together, but somehow come together at the selvage. I don't know how they do it, but anyway. So it's really fun to take advantage of these brilliant colors that are so beautiful, and they're reversible, and 100% cotton. So just perfect for spring and summer. Coordinating, this is a ribbed kind of ice blue. It's really beautiful. Both sides are usable. One side's got a little more sheen than the other. It's a poly cotton blend, cotton poly, mostly cotton, and it has stretch in both directions. And so then we have a different color. They're just beautiful different colors, and I think they could even be blended. The back colors are so similar to being the same that I just think they're beautiful. 100% cotton again. Then in the back of this one we have a pinstripe and a plaid. And you can see the plaid colors are just current and fresh. And this is a designer, and I'm not allowed to tell you the name, but if you Googled around a little bit, you'd find it. But anyway, this is a sky blue, ice blue, I think I called it. They're the same colors. One's a rib and one's a smooth. This has stretch in both directions, and it's a cotton poly as well. And then of course this last one, you can see how beautifully they blend together, or the other side, or both, like I did. We had a YouTube that we put up last night that just shows one idea for reversible fabrics, but there's so many. So they're all $12.99. This is 100% cotton. $12.99 for 2 days is what we typically do. The two blues are the poly cotton, stretch in both directions. Just beautiful. It's just fun to bring you these beautiful fabrics. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.